my last video, I asked about, finding the parameter of this figure. Okay, now I'm going to show you other methods of finding the parameter of this figure. My last video, the answer that I got for this is, the answer I got was 90 cm. Okay, so now I'm going to show you other methods of finding the parameter. Okay, that means the parameter, because the parameter that I mentioned, this is the outer line parameter. Parameter is to find the outer line of the figure. Okay, now I'm going to show you another method. Okay, this method is to move the square. Okay, you may want to move the top square and the second square to your left, okay, in line with the bottom square. Okay, and then is the parameter same as this? Okay, they are definitely the same. Why? Because this is a solid. Okay, and then no matter how you move, the inner line here is always 3. If here is 3, then what should be the length of from here to here? The length from here to here, because from here to here is a square, from here to here is 6. So the length from here to here will be 6 minus 3. So this will be 3 as well, because my figure is not to scale. Okay, so it's the same as this, because from here to here is 6. And then if the inner portion, this length is 3, so the length for these two parts, the total, if you sum out these two, will be 6 minus 3. Okay, you take the whole length minus the center, you'll get the length of this. Same as for this one. If you take the whole length minus the center 6, you get 12. So if you look at this one, I move the square to the left. So this is another way of doing. If I take this part, so from here to here, 6 minus 3, I get 3. So it's the same as 3. Okay, and then you look at the bottom square. From here to here is 18. So this part will be 18 minus 6, 12. So it's same as this. Okay, so some people may find that after doing some movement, you may find that the parameter could be easier. Okay, if you prefer this method. Okay, look at this. Okay, now we are asked to find the parameter, because we actually didn't change the parameter. It's still the same. You see, the length is still the same. Okay, at this part, it's the same at this part. Okay, so how to find the parameter in this case? Say for example, if you are not using this method, okay, you're not finding the parameter directly. You do some movement and then align, move it to the left. Okay, and then how to find this? Okay, you look at this part. From here to here will be what? 3 plus 6 plus 18. Okay, here to here, another 18. Okay, and then from here to here, here to here, here to here is also 18 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, 18 plus 6 plus 3. So 18 plus 6 plus 3. And don't forget, we still have 2 more lines. This 2 lines. So, and then the top 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 12 plus 3. Okay, and then plus 3. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 90 as well. Should be 90. Okay, 18 plus 18, 54. And then 90 cm. Okay, you can also move it to the left if you want to, sorry, to the right. Same way of doing to find the perimeter. So the answer will be the same as well. Okay, and then there's another way. You may also want to look at it in a different angle. Say if I move this, okay, if I turn around the figure, if I turn around, and okay, I turn this figure around, I can see this line. I have this line. So this part will be this top 3 lines will be 18 plus 6 plus 3 plus 18 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, and the 18 plus 18 and plus, okay, if you look at this part, this is 18. Okay, so it's this. Okay, 3, this line, and this line. Okay, in fact, these 3 lines, okay, these 3 lines add up to be 18. Because if you move these 3 lines, if you move this line to here and move this line to here, in fact, the length of this biggest square. Okay, so this 3 line in fact is 18. You don't even need to do calculation how to find the length of this part. Okay, so in fact these 3 lines, because these 3 lines, if you move this line to my left and this to the left and just move, they are actually in line with this 18. So it's another 18. Okay, so the answer will be 19 cm. Okay, so these are another 2 methods. One is this, the other one is this.